What go on Unstoppable family? So people, video, voice notes, making the rounds on social media of a man who allegedly was involved in a whole heap of things in Jamaica and was arrested, released, then wanted again, and now it is alleged that the man there finally made him match and him head get take off.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. So people, as I said before in the beginning, a voice note and a video is making the rounds on social media. And from the video, listen, gruesome, graphic, wicked, man head literally gone. You understand what I say? And people, the video is stating that, it is a man that has been involved in whole heap of things before, who do some whole heap of things before, allegedly, right? And now him finally meet him match and somebody literally take off him head. Now, we can't upload the video to YouTube, you understand what I say? But if you want to see, check it out, Unstoppable TV, Instagram, you understand? But warning, if you know your heart weak and you can't take it, don't watch it. Alright? Now, I have a voice note where I circulate as well. I'm going to take a listen and then we'll forward right back. So forward.
Yeah, my dear sister. Alright. Remember this guy in 2009, he first came to police notice. In 2009, he stabbed a man to death along the Elshire Road vicinity Petcom gas station in Britain. As he stabbed the man, DSP Francis, who was an inspector at the time, was passing from Sissoko with a woman sergeant named Gowdy, and they catch him red-handed and seize the knife. The victim died. Amin took the case. Amin was at St. Catherine homicide. 3 years after that, 2012, he got bail, so his passport was surrendered. That's 2012. In 2013, he shot 2 men at a fish fry along Passage Fort Drive, the 23rd of October. It was a Saturday night, and I went to the scene, dealt with the case. A policeman named Ralston Parchment, who them charging at the Elshire thing, the Elshire robbery, opened fire on him as he approached his car. So he left the rental car, which belonged to Amos' daughter, SSP Amos. We seized the car and carried come MIT. Amos took his daughter and she gave a nice statement and showed us the photo of the man who rent the car from her. By this, he had taken out a new passport in the name Damian Horatio Mitchell and a driver's license, because the passport was surrendered, the Kimali Brown passport. So we put out a stop order and they take him off a plane in January 2014 going to Curacao. When I found out that he's from Britain, I had asked Mr. Taylor to hand the case to somebody else because him know me and me know him. But them did say, you know what, just deal with it since the safari night. I think I'll miss school. You did want to assist me. Anyway, me did deal with it. And him spent 2 years, and in September 2016, the judge gave him the benefit of the doubt, saying that at a no-case submission upheld, saying he had for a man see a man 80 feet away and come point him out on parade, as if to suggest that we show the witness the photo. In October, just a month after that, he was involved in the double killing where Collymore, the American, paid to kill his wife. And his wife was killed in Upper St. Andrew along with the driver, taxi man. Only as that case. 5 persons are charged, but he was never held. Right? Kimali Brown OC Jimbo, otherwise called Damian Horatio Mitchell. He was also involved in a shooting a month ago where a taximan was a security guard was killed in Stony Hill. Police quick on the scene, gave chase to his motor car. He fled, left the car and the gun. The gun matched the killing in the Collymore double, as also the killing of the security guard. So he was still on the run. So his luck ran out. Our great Brooks, that was at Spanish Town, Detective Inspector Marvin Brooks and a team, because he's now in Montego Bay, went in search of him. I guess his gun stuck because he pointed, but no shots came out, and he was mortally wounded. Praise be to God.
Alright, so people want to hear for yourself what was said in the voice note. Now, me not going to really add or take away anything but from the voice note, but me going to leave it up to Uno for talk me down in the comment section and tell me what you think about what a brother you have to say in the voice note. Alright, now people, a whole heap of things are going out there in Jamaica, but it's not only Jamaica things are going on. People all over the world are cry out, you understand, the Caribbean. people them are cry out. Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, Antigua, all of these countries are crying out for peace. All of these countries are crying out because crime is just way too active and just the innocent are hurt in this. Take a listen to what that Trinidad brother here say.
Morning. I'm doing this video with a heavy heart this morning. There's nothing funny for me to say for the past couple of days. As a comedian, I'm losing the joy. What really going on in this little Trinidad and Tobago, this beautiful twin islands? What happening? How have we arrived to the position we at now, where man killing man like nothing? You argue with a man, he pull out a gun and kill you. We killing people in front of police station, in front of churches. We killing people in front of children. It is a norm now to hear how many murders per day, like nothing. We ain't safe again. You kiss your children in the morning and you send them to school, and you're not too sure that they're coming back home. No respect again for elders. We roughing up with elders. We treated them all how we robbing them. We thieving from them. No respect for honest businessmen who trying and taking loans to start business. We robbing everybody now. They're busting because we robbing them. The honest man can't make a living again. Even if he poor and he trying to even work taxi and he on the road. We robbing them. We've reached the position that Trinidad and Tobago in chaos. And no answers, because if politicians had the answers, it would have been fixed. If the government had the answers, they would have fixed it already. If the church had the answer, they would have fixed it already. If we had the answers, we would have fixed it. But nobody seems to have the answer. Everybody complaining, everybody saying that the situation is bad, and yet nobody has the answer. I couldn't sleep last night, I lie down and I turning and twisting and I thinking about this child from Northeastern College that we buried yesterday. What really going on? What is happening? I could send my child to school and he would not come home then. People fearful. And everybody pointing fingers and blaming one another. Listen to me. Everybody pointing fingers and blaming one another. When the real problem is you and me. Me and you. We are to blame. You see, we are failures. All of us. Watch yourself in the mirror and tell yourself you're a failure. You're a failure as a father. You're a failure as a parent, as a mother. You're a failure as a teacher. You're a failure as a politician, as a pastor, as a villager, as a neighbor, as a church member. We fail. We are failures because we fail to love. We fail to stand up for the right thing. We fail. We are failures because we know the truth and we don't stand up for it. And that is why my country going to hell. My true little twin island that's supposed to be the best in the Caribbean. People afraid to come here on holidays again because we don't know how to control the blast itself. You see, them little bandits was children, All them bandits that running down people now and shooting people and killing people. Them was children, and we failed them because we did not instill in them the values and the truth and the righteousness and what to stand up for. So now we reaping because we fail. The Bible says, if my people humble themselves and call on God, He's going to heal the land, Trinidad and Tobago. One more hope we have is to start to love and pray. Hold your children on a morning and pray with your children. Tell your children you love them. Tell your wife you love them. Tell your husband you love him. Reach out to a neighbor. Stop throwing a blind eye. Trinidad and Tobago, stop throwing a blind eye and reach out and love your neighbor. Oh God, I beg it all you. Please, before this country get worse, Start loving one another. We have too much hate in this country. Too much division in this country. All you're fighting for shit. How did we get here? We get here because all you stop loving people. We get here because all you stop standing for righteousness. You know, it has nothing about religion here. Whoever God you just pray to, Krishna, Buddha, Allah, Jesus, whoever. Bend your knees, Trinidad and Tobago, and start to pray for your country. Open your eye and see what your neighbor going through. Listen, man, stop the greediness and the stinginess and start sharing. Oh God, a little love, man. Send a plate of food for that person next door now. Oh God, something. Break the ice here and talk to your neighbor for 10 years. Go and knock on the door and say sorry and all. Let's start to talk, man. Hey, start to love one another before it get too late, because Trinidad and Tobago only wanted to get worse than where it is today. Darrell begging all you. I can't laugh today, no comedy. All I could tell you is if we humble and bend your knees and pray, God has promised to heal Trinidad and Tobago. Come on, people, we could do better.
John was star. Me can feel the man pain. I mean, know you can feel it too. Watch on the man, people. It don't really matter which part of the world you're there. A peace we want, a love and oneness and togetherness we want. Alright? Start me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Watch on, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. If this is your very first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button so once we upload a video, you will get that alert. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.